Hello one and all. This video is about the converting jade plant into bonsai. Of course, in this video I will not show the entire process. These two plants I planted in bonsai soil around 10 months back. During that replanting, I planted in the bonsai soil in which I use gravel as well as coco peat and regular garden soil. Gravels I collected from the construction site where it is a residual of the sand which they are using for the construction, and in that I added 20% garden soil and 20% coco peat, and then I let them to grow on their own. Now you can see they have grown very nicely and it has become healthy plant. So now time has come to give a nice shape to this plant. So in this video I'll show how to prune and give the bonsai look. So before proceeding, let me rearrange my stuff. First I'll keep aside this plant. Now let me collect my tools. First I'll use this plastic cap kind of thing on which I'll put a pot so that when I rotate so it doesn't make any scratch mark on the table. And these are my cutters. Depending on the branch I will be using this for the digging, and one knife also I'll keep wherever required. So before starting pruning the plant, first I'll observe from all around and I'll create a shape in my mind how I'm going to give a shape. So initially I'll be cutting the long branches so that basic structure is clear. For giving any shape to bonsai, there is no perfect science available. It is purely on the one's imagination, how he wants to give a shape to this particular plant. So whatever you will see outcome of this entire process will be my own imagination. Probably somebody else can give better than this. And of course these cut branches I'll not throw, I'll use them for the propagation. Jade plant is very easily propagated through branches. In fact I bought only one plant initially, and out of that I'm having close to 10 odd various jade plant, either in full growing condition or in bonsai shape. So now since I cut many branches, you can see it looks like a small tree. Converting jade plant into bonsai is a very good idea because you can see its trunk is very thick and it takes a shape like a miniature tree. So you might have seen many videos on the YouTube for converting jade plant into bonsai. So it's almost done. You can see it looks like small tree. So let me give final shape. Let me clear all the unwanted stuff. A little bit I'll dig the soil and rearrange so that fresh air can enter into soil, which is good for the plant. Plus I have collected white stone, so I'll decorate with this stone entire plant. You can use white stone or any other kind of stone also for the decoration. Few people use moss also for the decoration. It's again purely on one's choice how he wants to give a shape. You can see it is ready. Now let me show entire plant from the all around. It looks amazing. You can use this plant in your drawing hall, or you can keep inside your office also. Now I will give a shape to this second plant, which I planted in round bonsai pot. This has also grown very nicely, and since I was not having this white stone extra, so I am using from the previous plant which I have shown you. So let me start process on this plant also. This plant is having little different shape compared to first one. It has one main trunk, so I'll try to give a shape where one main trunk is more visible. As it goes upper side, other branches are visible. While pruning for the bonsai, one has to be very careful, because once any branch is cut, you cannot rejoin it. So give a little thought before cutting any branch. I've seen many other YouTube videos where people first make a sketch and then they try to give a shape. So yes, it is almost done. So let me show you from all around. This also has come up very nicely. Definitely I'll be keeping this pot in my drawing hall. In this photo you can see both the Jade Plant before and after. So they have come up very nicely. Hope you found this video very interesting. If yes, please give me a thumbs up, and if you are visiting first time, please subscribe my channel. Till then, bye bye.